Hi everyone, welcome to another welding demonstration video, this time an MMA T-fillet. Hopefully you've already watched our MMA introduction video. If you haven't, I recommend you watch that first to pick up some tips on how to set your machinery up, and then watch this one afterwards for a demonstration on the T-fillet. The material I'm using today is 5mm thick low carbon steel. This time it is 40mm wide by 200mm long. For this demonstration I'm using around 110 amps, and the rods I'm using are 60-13 rods. What I'm going to do first is tack up my two pieces of material. So with any T-fillet, in the middle at 90 degrees. You can use a magnet to aid with this. The more experience you get, you might just want to hold it on top, which is what I'm going to do today. Once I'm happy that the material has been tacked up, I've just put a small tack on either end on the back side of the weld again, so that the slag doesn't interfere with the weld I'm actually going to complete. We can start with the actual weld itself. What we should have is the slag peeling off on its own, which we do have at the minute. So with MMA, you have a little bit of cleaning up to once you've finished your weld. So we'll use a chipping hammer and a wire brush. Okay, so nice and gently with the chipping hammer, not to damage the weld. See, the slag came off nice and easy. A little bit of a wire brush. And that gives us our finished article. Once we've cleaned it up, we can inspect the weld. Nice even leg lengths, fairly consistent weld. Overall, fairly happy with that result.